Similar triangles, important aspect because it goes with us to the living cert from junior cert, so we have to understand. So the same triangles are shown again below. This time, the length of some sides are shown. So we can see, let's expand that a little bit. Oops, what happened here? So we can see AD, DE, EB, all of them are 10, and then BC 14.3. Using similar triangles, work out the length GE. So we know, we are told previously that all those sides are parallel to each other. So what that means that I actually have here 3 similar triangles. So I have the very big one, ABC. Then I have the next one, the middle one, AEG. And then I have the third one, the small one, ADF. Now, all of them are actually similar. So what do I know about the length? So in big triangle, all of that will be what? 30. And this one here is 14.3. Then we need to work out this side. So therefore we are saying, well, what's this length? That is 20. And this one, there is nothing we have to do about that. So we can ignore that one. How do we find that length? So the idea of similar triangles is that we can build a ratio because the corresponding sides are in the same ratio to each other, the length of them. So when I'm looking at any triangle, usually I would say to myself, you know what, in order to identify my sides, I can say that, let's say, for example, this side, this is a short side in this triangle. Then I'm saying, how about this side here? That seems like a long side. And then this one is the middle side. So the same here, that will be middle and that will be long. Now, it doesn't matter how accurate it is. The point is that I need to identify corresponding side, meaning I need to find, like, this is the short side, so this is the short side. If that's the long one, if that's the long, or maybe that's a middle side, and maybe that's the middle side. The point that they are corresponding to each other. And when we are building a ratio, we have so many options to build that. But let's say, for example, we are saying as short side in a big triangle relates to the long side in big triangle, meaning when we are saying relate, let's say for argument's sake that this side will go into this side twice. Now, actually, that's almost true, but not fully true. But that's the idea. If this side will go twice in here, that will be the same kind of relationship in the other similar triangle, that this side will go twice in here. So therefore, we can say that that GE will relate in the same way to that 20. Now, I want to find GE, not G divided by 20. To eliminate bottom of the fraction, we multiply, and we multiply both sides of the equation. So that way, 20 divided by 20 is 1. 1 multiplied by GE is GE. Therefore, we take that, we put that in the calculator, we press equal, and we have our answer, that is 143 divided by 15. Since we are not given any terms and condition of our answer, we can leave that in the form of this fraction. However, I just want to show you that that is one of the way of building this ratio. I could say as well, I could build that differently. I, for example, could say 14.3 as the short side in big triangle relate to short in small triangle, so is the long side in big triangle relating to long in small triangle. So I could do it that way as well. I could turn those fractions up and down. So the same here, this version could look, if I turn them upside down, and that will be true as well. Or I could turn this one upside down, and that will be true as well. So that's what I'm saying. When it comes to ratio, like in this particular example, that I have 4 different options of building the ratio. The main idea is corresponding side. Now, what I want to point out, since we have our triangle in two different color, so this is the green triangle. These are the angles from the green triangle. Yeah, this is the green triangle. Or, like in this case, these are the angle from green triangle. Those are from green triangle. So I know I don't have red, but I have pink. So that is the second triangle. Or here I have my second triangle. Yeah. So you can see the pattern. You can see how to build that. And again, can't stress enough, you need to know it. It will be there as well in your living cert.